Alright, here you go. Now this is my street. That's my building. I live on the second floor. And we have ourselves a crazy snowstorm. So, yeah, that's me. Hello. What's up? Welcome to Montreal. This is the way we roll. Okay. That's it. I don't know, footpath that leads to my building. It's all covered in snow. It's like, I don't know, man. It's like 30 centimeters of snow. Okay, that's trees that don't even have leaves anymore. Alright, I'm gonna walk a little bit. That's stairs. That's my balcony over there, covered in snow. And that's me, freezing outside, just to give you a piece of Montreal, what it means to be Montreal. Okay, these people's cars dark. They're trying to dig them out. If you look at the distance, okay, let's see. I'm gonna try to bring somebody closer who's okay, can't. But somebody's digging the car out of the snow. Okay, it's all covered in snow. That's all snow. That's all snow. Yeah, that's all snow. Alright, so hello from Montreal. Enjoy the good weather in Nairobi and everywhere. Come from Montreal. It's gonna be cold. It's like -20 outside right now. Okay. Ladies.